The FRANCINSTIEN T-Sym, and in the hardware version it's called the FRANCINSTIEN WARP, are the third generation of Frankenstein stereo correction systems. The first system, launched 30 years ago nearly, was a fairly simple crosstalk mechanism based on really the empirical work by the original EMI team. About 15 years after that, I developed the Bride of Frankenstein circuit, which was based on a mathematical model of perceived angle in relation to interchannel intensity difference, developed by Leakey. And so the parameters were tweaked to be in line with that mathematical model. Warp, or T-Sym, takes it one stage further, and this was a paper developed, published by Bennett in 1985, so still a long time ago, but it took a radically different approach. It took a wavefront reconstruction approach and said, look, you have two loudspeakers, they're trying to recreate a wavefront as if you imagine you had lots and lots and lots of speakers, but it's subsampled, it's a subsampled wavefront reconstruction system, and as with all subsampled systems, of course, there's aliasing, and the aliasing results in aliased spatial images, and that's quite an interesting. It's highly mathematical, and they used a lot of computing. But what we've done is to take that work and to derive a new type of correction based on these spatial aliases. So we know the position of spatial aliases, and we can compensate for those spatial aliases. So it's a similar process in a way to Frankenstein, although it's actually profoundly different in the way it's done. The T-Sym version is a time symmetric, so the filters have dual-sided exponentials, they're non-causal filters. That clearly isn't possible in hardware, and the Warp uses a different method to derive a very similar result.